Guess what time it is? It's time to learn how to paint. We have a Phalanx airless paint sprayer, and that's all I know so far. Amazon, it's Phalanx, P-H-A-L-A-N-X, Phalanx airless paint sprayer, RP 8620. Supposed to be a good one for DIY, like you know, for me to paint this 3-bedroom house. This unit is supposed to be good enough to do that job. I was getting certified on it.
So you can get started on your project. You will get those things in your package: a powerful airless sprayer, 25-foot flexible hose, a hosing gun / spray tip and garment, instruction manual, and other accessories. Start by threading the hose to the outlet of your sprayer like this. Get it hand tight. Then use a wrench to fully tighten the hose.
Okay, so step one, we need to put the hose on. So we can do that. Cut these tie straps off of it. Try not to cut the hose. Hope everybody's doing well. My DIY project is coming along. The upstairs is ready for its first coat of primer. There's a little bit of sanding and some knick-knack stuff, but this primer will also be good to fill in some little cracks and stuff. I'm gonna stretch this out and try to get it to relax for a second. Okay, I had to get creative with this hose. If you guys get one of these sprayers, unwind your hose, a month in advance of your project. If it was warm outside, you could set this out on the hot driveway and it would lose its coiliness, whatever you want to call it. Its memory of the coil, it would lose that fairly easy. But I even filled up the sink with hot water and had it in there for 10 minutes or so, and I still can't get it to unspring. So I taped it to a couple baseboards to try to get it to, not remember its coil it was in. So we were at the part of the directions where it said to connect the hose to your sprayer. Okay, little protective caps. I'm going to keep these, and so I can plug it back up, keep trash from getting in there when I'm not using it. I've got drywall primer, which will be good because it fills in little cracks, and primer is a good way to show you what you need to do, or as far as imperfections. You might look at a wall and say, that looks okay, but once it goes to a different one shade, a solid color, then you can see different imperfections or what have you. So we got the hose connected to the sprayer, the Phalanx, and I got a spray gun, a trash bucket I missed. So we've connected the hose to the Phalanx airless paint sprayer. Now we'll connect the other hose to the spray gun itself, which during my little fiasco trying to get the hose uncurled, I lost the plug on this end. It was on there. So we got a spray gun, and you will need to tighten it all up. It comes kind of just gently assembled. Oh. But the directions say to take this off before we use it anyways. And we'll connect this hose So I just noticed in the plastic bag that the sprayer came in, there's a screw and something else that you probably don't want to lose. A little washer and a fine thread bolt that takes an Allen wrench. And now I know why there was an Allen wrench laying on the ground, because it must have come with it. Right there. So we'll put that Allen wrench with the extra parts. It also came with this little cup and a little pipe cleaner. So we need to finish connecting the hose. Come on, Sean. Come on, come on. I told you guys my ADD is real. All right, so on to the next step.
Tip and guard from your gun. Place the suction tube into clean water and place the drain tube into a waste pail. Be sure the sprayer is still in the prime position. Turn the pressure control to the lowest pressure setting. Power on the sprayer. Increase the pressure control until the motor starts. Allow water to circulate through the sprayer.
All right, so we've got the intake hose with the screen on it is in my water. The return is in there. My trigger is unlocked. My pressure is always at the lowest setting. My knob is on prime when it's flat, it's on spray. When it's pointing down, it's on prime. So we're going to turn it on and increase the pressure until I see it start to come out of here. I'm going to fiddle with it for a minute, guys. Well, you guys wouldn't believe it. So there was a chunk of ice or a cotton ball or something clogging up this line. I was pouring water in it, and I only watched it go so far. And finally, I took it off, and I blew through it, and went boosh, and it blew in my bucket, and it dissolved. So it was ice or something. I don't know. It may have been a spider nest, but as soon as it hit the water, it's gone. Interesting. So I'll put my clamp back on here. And then we'll try it again. Okay, let's try priming this thing again. Put a sprayer in a waste pail just in case. And then lowest setting is on prime. So now we should be able to see still nothing. I'll try to prime this again. Thought I saw something in there. All right, the hose is full now. Well, it's getting late, and even if it started to work right now, these things take a while to clean. You got to be able to run water through it to blow the paint out of it when you're done painting. I started this an hour and a half ago, and it's still not priming. So whatever was in this hose must have made it in there. I think I might just return it and get another one. That's the best part about Amazon is no questions asked. If it doesn't work, they'll make it right. I think I'm gonna get on my phone right now and start the return process and have them send me another one. Because I did buy this back in November, and it's now almost the end of January. So it's possible whatever was in this line, when we first turned it on, it pulled some in there. Okay, guys. Hey, well, we tried to paint. Thank you. Hey, like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. Thank you. Until next time, you'll see something. Hey, this is the story of my whole project. You can't just do something because something always goes wrong. All right, guys. Adios. So, I couldn't leave it alone. So I took the inlet tube off of it and took the fitting off and cleaned the check valve ball, and now it's working. Have a look-see. Voila! Okay, guys. I'm gonna knock this room out and call it a night. Thank you so much.